Welcome back, ladies and gents. Just a real quick update. I've changed my grips. They're the old ones. They're the new ones. Looking much more on brand. Really surprised I managed to get these off in one piece. I was hoping to do so just in case I need them. I did explode one of my bar ends because it was coming out a little bit further than this grip, and I didn't mind losing a bar end to save the grip, really, because I don't really like these ones. And this grip here on the throttle, you can see, I reckon it can get in a little bit more, but it really doesn't want to. So yeah, I'm happy with how it is. I mean, it's working fine. Doesn't feel loose or anything anywhere. So I'm really happy with that. These ones come off quite easily. Very happy with that. What I did is I used a feeler gauge. One of the ones that I never use, like one of the measurements. And I just poked it kind of in between the bar. You can't really see. But in between the actual handlebar and the grip. And that just loosened off all that kind of sticky stuff that was in there. It weren't glue, but it was something. But yeah, they come off nice and easy. I blew that up because it wasn't coming off, and I foolishly put a vice grip on it, and just as it clipped down, it must have been quite brittle already, and it just exploded out the end and rattled around my garage like shotgun fire. But yeah, really happy with it, how it come out. I'm going to put some new bar ends on it. Ignore that, I might put that in other videos, don't look at that. Yeah, really happy. Just got the seat cover to go now, so whenever I get around to ordering one, you'll probably see that too. Thanks very much. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on this bad boy. And I'll see you soon.